So now let's work around with the CV section inside of Wix ADI. To work around with CV section, let me just add in a new section by clicking on that plus icon. Let me scroll down, and over here on the left side, you can see that CV is a choice. So CV is regarding your work portfolio, as you can see. So just like this. So you can choose any of the layout as per your liking, just like this. So once you click on that, you can see that your CV has been added in. So on the left side, you can work around with the header. You can work around with the header subtitle. You can also add in a header paragraph, like an opening paragraph right over here. You can add in media, even buttons. So over here in the list items, you can work around with your positions right over here. So you can say something like manager. You can work around with the date. You can work around with the item description on your experience right over here as well. So just like that, you can fill in the information, more information by adding in more list items right over here as well. So once you're happy with this, you can go around to section design and choose from different layouts right over here as well. So you want to give it more of this kind of a look, you can do that as well, so that your CV looks like this. And you can go around over here and choose something like this as well, something with a picture, and work around with that as well. And that is how you can work around with the CV section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.